Hello, hola. Welcome to Learning Spanish with Abuela. I am Abuela. Today we are going to learn how to use good manners in Spanish. Polite words like please, excuse me, yes, no, and how to introduce yourself. But before we begin, what must we do?
Muscles.
Yes, we must exercise our facial muscles. Let's begin with those cheeks. Yes, let's massage those cheeks, get them going nice and loose for learning the Spanish language. Yes, and let's open our mouths wide. Wiggle the tongue. And lastly, a big yawn. Now you are all ready to learn Spanish. Let's begin with the letter of the day. A in Spanish is A, as in Ana. Can you repeat that? A in Spanish is A. A great job. Hola amigos. Hi friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to like the video. Welcome, Ana. How are you today? I'm ready to learn, Abuela. What are we learning today? Well, today we are learning how to say please, excuse me, yes, no, and my name is in Spanish. Are you ready to help? Sí, I'm ready. Let's start with please. In Spanish, we say por favor. Can you say it, Ana? Por favor. Perfect. Now, can you say it with Ana? Por favor. Great job. Let's see an example. Ana, pretend you want a cookie. How would you ask for it in Spanish? Por favor. Exactly. Now try saying it with Ana. Por favor. Well done! Por favor is how you ask for something politely in Spanish. Now let's learn how to say excuse me in Spanish. We say perdón. Can you say that, Ana? Perdón! Good. Let's say it together. Perdón. Perdón is useful when you need to get someone's attention or if you accidentally interrupt. Let's practice an example. Ana, pretend I'm reading and you need to ask me a question. Perdón, Abuela? Perfect! Now can you say it with Ana? Perdón? Next, we have two very easy words, yes and no. In Spanish, we say sí for yes and no for no. Sí, 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 and no, no. Good, Ana. Let's say them together. Sí, no. Sí and no are very useful words. For example, Ana, do you want to sing a song? Sí! And do you want to eat all your vegetables on your plate tonight? No! Finally, let's learn how to say my name is in Spanish. We say mi nombre es Ana. Great. Now try it with Ana. Say mi nombre es and then your name. Wonderful. Now let's see it in a sentence. Ana, introduce yourself to me. Mi nombre es Ana. ¿Y usted? Mi nombre es Abuela. Now it's time to practice. Ana and I will act out some situations, and you help us figure out what to say. Ready? Sí, I'm ready. I want this toy. What should I say in Spanish to ask politely? Por favor. What should I say if I need to get Ana's attention? Perdón. Perdón. Mi nombre es Ana. Let's review what we learned today. Ana, can you help us? Yes, we learned por favor, which means please. Perdón, which means excuse me. Sí, which means yes. No, which means no. Mi nombre es, which means my name is.
Phrases every day.
That's right. Remember to use these phrases every day to be kind and polite. Por favor, perdón, sí, no, me llamo Ana. Great job, Ana, and great job to all of you. Thank you so much for learning with us today. See you next time. Bye-bye. Adios.
Bye-bye.
Adios. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to like the video and to share with your friends and family so you can learn together.